Here I have INTEX Aqua Lions X1. Let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on that device by using the INTEX settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon. Then you need to scroll down and choose settings. Here you need to find and select backup and reset, and from the following options let's choose factory data reset. So this operation will erase all data from your phone internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset phone and tap erase everything to begin the operation. The phone is restoring all defaults, erasing all personal stuff, so let's wait until the process will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start simply activate your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.